Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. Obviously, I have a trial version of Home Designer 2020 Pro 2020. But anyway, I think this is where you want to return. And no, no cheap architect or home designer software will do what you want to do, except manually. I'm going to show you how to do it manually. It's not that hard. You go back to plan view. I said, well, let's see. I guess this is the garage. Let me check that. Yeah, okay. So we got a roof return here, and it's going to match this roof's fascia top. So I'm going to open the dialog. You can see the fascia top height's 155 and 3/16. I assume that's what you want, but anyway. So I need to see what the pitch is. 10 and 5/16. That's kind of an odd figure. Well, doesn't matter. I'm going to open the build roof dialog and see what it's set to. It's set to 8. Well, that's no big deal. So I'm going to just go over here and draw a manual roof plane here and slant it this direction. Yeah, I want it over the wall. Now for a roof, well, let me show you what that looks like. It looks like they created a, yeah. See, it doesn't exactly match. And it's sticking in the building, which is not okay. So I'm going to pull it outside the building. Go back to the overview camera. See, I can't click on this. Oh, I can click on it. Good. I need to find out the fascia top of that one, which is, okay, 106 and 5/8. I'm going to copy that and apply it to this roof plane. I'm going to lock the pitch and then copy paste in the fascia top value. And you'll see it drop down to match this one. Also, I want to match the pitch 7 and 15/16. You need to be a little bit careful about your settings there. I'm going to apply this pitch to this roof plane because they need to match for symmetry's purposes. Now I don't want the fascia top to change, so I'm going to put the radio button there and copy paste the pitch in. It's only going to change slightly. Okay. I'm going to hit Shift F6 so you can kind of watch me as I do this. On the plan view side, I'm going to zoom in. I wonder why I can't see that return. I'm going to pull this out of the way temporarily. See, yeah, pull that out of the way. Oh, it must be, you must have that on a different floor. No, it's not there. There it is. Okay. I'm going to click on this one and send it down a floor. Because to really tie these together properly, I need them on the same floor. Okay, so now I can see both of them. Here's the one that I created. And I'm going to use the Join Roofs tool to join their edges to make a nice corner. Like that. And you can see, I think that's what you wanted. Now I'm going to put this main roof plane back where it was. That was just temporary so I could see what I was doing. And then we just click on this edge. Oh, got the wall instead. I did the tab key until I get the object I wanted to select. And you got a roof return back here, but they need to match in terms of pitch and height. So I'm going to open the dialog box on this one. It's a totally different pitch. And 106 and 13. I think that those are the same. Whoops, wrong roof plane. There we go. Well, it's close. I'm going to copy this value here, copy, and apply it to this roof plane here. Not that one, this one. And these overhang values should be the same also. I guess I need to fix that first. Okay, I'm going to open this. Whoops. Open this one. It's a tab key. And I don't care about the pitch, but I want this value to be exactly the same. And the pitches need to be the same. It's a tab key. There it is. At 7 and 15/16. So again, I'm going to open this one and apply that data. I want this to stay put, so I'm going to put the radio button temporarily there. Copy paste the pitch in. Oh, yeah. You see that over there drop? Oh, I did something I didn't expect. Oh, you've got this part of, well, you can't do that. That's not going to work. I'm going to hit Control Z to undo that last move on this roof plane. Okay. And I'm going to put this back where it was. I mean, over to its mother roof plane. There. Can't do that. If the pitches are different and the fascia top heights are different, it's not going to work. This only works to get symmetry if you do it exactly as I'm showing you. There it is. I'm going to copy this one, make a copy of that manual return that I made, and then we'll rotate it. Okay, I'm going to use point-to-point move, left click, left click, left click. Kind of get it in the neighborhood. I need to find, need to turn on roof baselines. There it is. So I knew it was on. I want to find. Okay, there it is. Of course, we don't need it way over there, so I'm going to put it right on the edge of the bigger roof plane. You can kind of see it now. And then to finish this off, I'm going to click on this one, use the join roof plane to make a mitered corner there. And this return is not going to match that unless you want to redesign the roof. Okay, well, that's it. That's how you do it when you want to return where the software is not pre-programmed to comply with your wishes. You do it manually. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.